Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom. Today we got a treat here. We got a beautiful 73 F-250. Man, these trucks are really going crazy now. This one has been completely restored. Said to have only 50,000 original miles. Rotisserie redone. Can you imagine rotisserie this thing? Unbelievable. It's got a great lift on it. Very solid body. Beautiful paint. The trim, the glass is in excellent shape. Underneath the truck is yellow too. We'll show you that later. Got a brand new set of meats on there too, front and back. Nice little lift. Remember, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're non-consignment, so all these vehicles you see here, we've personally went out, inspected, and brought into our fleet here. Let's check out the interior. Look at the doors, how nice and clean they are. The door panels. Seats, headliner is in excellent shape. It's hard to find these trucks that haven't been used for work and are in this beautiful shape as this one. Remember, I can be reached 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. We can help you with financing, transportation, and all your needs. That's when metal was metal. Check out the rear bumper, in excellent shape. There you go, look at that. Bed has a few marks in it, typical. You got your spare wheel in there, looks like it's brand new too. There we go. This will be a fun truck to take to your beach house, have a little fun, riding in the sand. Who wouldn't like a nice lifted F-250 at that? So you can reach me at 248-974-9513. Once again, my name is Tom. I can help you with financing, transportation, ultimately help you get this dream in your driveway.
All right, we're here in our four-wheel drive Ford pickup truck, guys. She's a Ranger. She's an F-250. She's a 73. I mean, just an amazing truck right here. And I'd be driving this thing out in the nasty weather, getting this thing all slopped up with mud and stuff. But I'm pretty sure my detail guys would shoot me because this thing is absolutely beautiful. So we won't be driving it until it gets nice and dry out. Now, I have driven this truck when we first got it in, and it drives great. Of course, I love Ford trucks. I love four-wheel drives, and this thing will look good sitting in your driveway. So give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. And don't forget, he answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. You can give him a call anytime you'd like. Now, we're going to put it up on the lift and show you just how clean the bottom side is. All right, we're underneath this old Ford truck now. Man, is she looking brand new under here. Look at that. That frame has got a beautiful coat of nice glossy black paint on it. You can see that custom-made gas tank. It's got nice paint on it. We got brand new exhaust on here with some great looking stainless tips. Actually plays a pretty good tune too. We got this big old Dana 60 here with a 411 gear set in it, and it is a limited slip. We got this rock guard on here. It's tied in right here and tied in right down here, which is going to give this axle a lot more strength. On the brakes, we gonna take those all apart, make sure they're installed correctly. We've got some good looking shocks here. Moving forward here, you can see the bottom side of the bed, the wheel wells, everything painted up nice. We got an extra brace on the transfer case here, which is looking cool. Everything under here is painted up, looking good. Back side of those bedsides looking good. Back sides of the rockers are looking good. She is pretty under here. Now they painted this C6 Trans Ford blue, which is looking good. We got a trick flow aluminum cast pan. And for you, those of you who don't know, this is a 3-speed automatic. We got a nice rock guard on this Dana 44 up front here. It's also limited slip and also obviously 411 gears. You can see that the frame horns are nice and straight. This bumper looks like it very well could be an original unit, or it was replaced a few years ago. Back side is showing just a little bit of age, but the front side's nice and shiny. Those back sides of those wheel wells and everything looking sweet. And of course we got the worn lockout hubs. You turn them this way for free, turn them that way to lock them in if you want to run the 4-wheel drive. We got 315/75/16s. I'll call whoever that is back later. As you look down there, side there, man, all that aluminum and all that paint work looking sweet. Man, I tell you what, these dent side pickup trucks are about the hottest things out there right now. And when I say dent side, it's, see where that molding is up there? It's got a cove to it. Its nickname is dent side. Because the earlier ones were called bump side because it stuck out on the earlier ones. We got 315/75/16s out back on what looks like some brand new American racing wheels. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, man, it's looking sweet under here too. Look at the finish on everything. Look at the core support. Look at the shiny black paint on that core support. Then that big tank on that radiator. And then we got 429 power. We got what I believe is a 650 4-barrel Holley sitting on top there. It's got a billet distributor, some Taylor wires. We got power steering, power brakes, nice finish on the yellow paint, nice finish on the yellow paint on the firewall. I mean, the motor's all painted up blue like it should be, looking good. I mean, everything about this truck is looking sweet, guys. She's got 429 power. She's a 4x4. She's a Ford. We got a lot of 4s going on here, so give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this stream in your driveway.